Hello and welcome to this brand new live, a brand new season, and it's really exciting to be here as always. So a break of a few days, that's all that it was. And we are really pepped up to be showing you a really nice, light, very wearable collection that we have today. This is a new look that I'm wearing and we will be launching it in a style video in just a bit. I will talk about it a little bit more. And yeah, a couple of very quick starters that there has been a revision to our shipping and in international shipping and India shipping from 1st January. So it's 50,000 and above, free international shipping, below that 3850, and for India it's free above 10,000 now, and below that it's 350. So yeah, just the facts. Let's keep that out of the way and let's get started with everything else that we have for you. Now, I will show you a little more of what I'm wearing, but I'll have to remove this dupatta. Of course, this one really pretty dupatta. Again, this dupatta is basically like my outfit. It's versatile. You will be able to kind of wear it in contrast, on a lehenga, on a suit, on an anarkali. It's really, really flexible, okay? So that's the thing about this dupatta. And I was just wearing it to complete this look. I think it's a fabulous shade of pink. You really can kind of create many looks with it. Now, coming to what I'm wearing, and you will be seeing the style video in just a bit. In my style video, I am wearing this dupatta that I want to be showing you here as well. And this is the look. So what is it? You may have seen the soft launch of it. A lot of times we first do a soft launch, take your reviews, work on it, and then, of course, do a full-blown collection. And now what you're seeing here is this fabric. It's a pure cotton fabric that we have made. It's 4,800 per meter. This is dyeable. You will be seeing colors in it as well. Now, this is the Sona Rupa. So this is one beautiful fabric that we are making in 3 kinds. Only gold buta, only silver buta, and then finally the Sona and Rupa. What I have done for myself is that I have gone for a Sona Rupa kurta, and it's got this detailing. You will see yahan thoda sa maine gold ka touch diya hai. Even here, there's this gota which is there. My bottom also has it, but my bottom is essentially the same fabric but only in gold zari. Now, to me, I have done it to just kind of keep it flexible. Sometimes you want to wear a heavier dupatta, like the one I was wearing was a Sona Rupa. But each to his own. I think every combination that you do, whether it's going to be gold, only silver, or both gold and silver, it's going to look fabulous. The fabric is amazing. Pure cotton, 4,800 per meter, and dyeable. Now, like this whole look, of course, I've kind of dressed up some jewelry. Now, you can really do some accentuation, wear some light, beautiful jewelry and a very light dupatta. Or what you can do is you can go for a heavier dupatta as well. And, I will be showing that to you. So this, now, today we have one special 3 piece hai, aur ekdam starting range mein hamaare dupattes hain, but they're really going to be fabulous. I will be showing it to you. That's actually also the look with this. So you will have to stick around just for a few minutes for getting those dupattas which are in the ombre. Okay, now first things first, let's start with this. It's a tissue, it's a beautiful dupatta, and yes, I mean, just about everything will work on it. Wear it dyed, wear it undyed, it's going to be amazing. Now, tissue dupattas have a totally different charm, and I love the konya here in it. And in fact, I'm going to show you the green fabric. Yeah, now this is a fabric. This is the same fabric that I am wearing, exact Sona Rupa, okay? I will open it and show it to you. I had planned to show it to you later, but why I got it? Because I wanted to show it to you with this green and this tissue look, and it's just fabulous. Now, a pure cotton, ऐसा एक पीस होता है जिसके साथ आप कोटा पहन सकते हैं, चंदेरी पहन सकते हैं, जॉर्जेट पहन सकते हैं. So, there are lots of fabrics which will work with it, which is all that we're going to show. And as I said, just tissue, So that will also work very well with it. One stunning, beautiful dupatta. And these are all like unique pieces which we have for you. So look at that. It's something that I totally love. Look at the sheen of the gold, and especially the combination of brown with red. I think it's so flawless. And you really can do, of course, a red suit with it. You can do a brown. You can just wear it on a neutral look. I think this is really versatile as well. This comes in a brocade weave, so absolutely clean. There is no sticking, कुछ फंसने नहीं वाला है. That's always a concern, and I know all of us love to wear jewelry, तो वो एक concern रहता है. Which is why you will see our most of our collection that we make, and we are progressing towards more and more towards that, are in Karwa. And we're really happy with it. That of course, Karwa means that it will come with a cost, but that is what we are always trying. And now up to it, this is the next, this is something I really wanted to be showing. Yehi aaj ka in fact highlight bhi tha, apart from the new look. These lovely, beautiful dupattas in Chanderi in ombre. Now, these are such a marvel for many reasons. Oh, look at that. Here it is. This is a marvel for so many reasons. They are so very difficult to make. You can see the entire look right here. Now, these dupattas, 5,800, but just look at the detailing that comes with it. It's a flawless piece. Now let's open it up for you. I will be of course showing you the fabrics along with it. The fabric that I have worn goes wonderfully well. So now first things first, let's wrap it around and show it to you. Now these are completely rainbow ice cream colors inspired, and I think it is so perfectly finished and made, that it's going to leave such an impact. Now look at that, this whole range of colors just pop, okay? Now I will show you both the looks. You will see it, me wearing it on a neutral, and this is how it's going to be looking. And what is special, of course, the dyeing, the fabric, it's super soft, the price 5,800, and this tassels, it just everything on that, for us to just keep changing the color as we move along with the, dyeing. It's, it's such a marvel. It's such a fun thing to do, and very difficult also, because you have to have the right perfection and right colors in it. Now, so that's your one look that you're going for, and wear it with white surely. And now we will also show you the colors that we have done in the fabric that I'm wearing for you to see. So हमने ombre पहले किया था, and then there was a lot of question, then what do you think, will the yellow look better, the blue look better? And I get it. Now this time what we did, we thought of sharing most of the colors, so that you get a very clear idea कि क्या better लगा. Now this is actually the fabric that I'm wearing, and this is only gold. I'm wearing the only gold in my bottoms, and the Sona Rupa in my kurta. Now look at it. This is how soft it is. It's absolutely amazing. Just look at that, how it moves. This is pure cotton. Finest fabrics, of course, or finest to बहुत सारी चीजें. I would say most difficult in pure fabrics to make and to weave is always pure cotton. More than silk, it's actually cotton. Now look at that, that's the combination. So you can of course just take the fabric, just take the dupatta. मेरे जैसा outfit अगर आप चाह रहे हैं, तो that's going to be taking you about 3 for your kurta and 2.5 for your bottom. So that's your look when you're going to be going yellow. This is with the neutral. Now similarly, I will show it to you with the pink. Now look at that, that's your pink look. It's also really pretty. I will come and open the pink with the other piece that I have, but I also want to show it to you with the blue. Look at that, it's so pretty with the blue. These dupattas are 5,800. It's a small, not to be repeated collection that you can do. Just wear this as a beautiful kurta bottom and this light dupatta, and it's just so very complete. If you prefer one color dupatta, you could go for the kota silk. That's also an option. But just beautiful fabrics that will move, and they're airy and breathable, and everything, because pure hai to sab kuch hai. Okay, so that's the first color of the piece. The second color is this one, and it's this, so this time we've just done, this one is almost एक बीच में color आता है, connecting color, which is almost yellow. So this one, now you will see, this is the second color to this whole small, very little capsule collection of dupattas in Chanderi ombre. Now look at that again, the perfection of the colors moving, the tassels, everything's just flawless. These dupattas are 2.5, so yes, you can have it. And 4,800 में अगर जो ये मेरा कुर्ता है 2.5 मीटर आता है for about 12,000. 5 meters will be for 24,000. So yes, you can go for a plain bottom look if that is what you're looking for. So if you're going for, because this outfit will take 3 meters क्योंकि थोड़ा कली है, तो कुर्ते में 3, bottom में 2.5, and this dupatta is going to be 26,400, and it's going to be sorry, only fabric. Okay, so 5.5 meter, so basically 4,800 per meter. Only fabric 5.5 meter will be 26,400, and then you can add this dupatta. You can add, look at that, isn't that just beautiful? How it looks, how it feels. You can, you know, so many of you saying you want to wrap your head around, wrap it up, keep it one side, wear it both sides. There will be so many ways to be kind of enjoying these lovely light dupattas. And now with this, I'm going to be showing you the combination that I have. This is again the fabric that I'm wearing in color. इसको मैं खोल के दिखाती हूँ आपको, and then I will show you. So with this, and you know, I really kind of mooted whether I want to do this piece in, you know, this shade of purple or the shade of green, but I just thought that ये बहुत उठ के आ रहा है on this color. So yeah, this is something I would love to kind of wear it on. If you like, we can definitely dye this color as well, this shade of purple for your kurta. So one last glimpse, this dupatta also 5,800. And finally, we're going to be showing you the third color in it. And this one is this. Let's show you. It's a shade of pinks and Rani. I mean, 2 shades of pinks. And then there is a deep burgundy. Now look at that. Here you go. Again, such flawlessness and such perfection in every kind of piece that you see. चाहे वो एक silk dupatta एकदम premium range का हो, चाहे our most basic pieces will have the same level of perfection that go behind making it and the thought that goes behind it. Now, there you go. This is again, you know, whole pink base. You could definitely do it with neutral. I love them in neutral. I also think that you will be able to wear then this with any other dupattas. Okay, I will show you कुछ light dupattas और भी है, वो भी मैं दिखा देती हूँ, which you can do. But today, of course, ये जो है, this, there are 2 things. The look, which is this, and this is of course a new full-blown collection that we are making. बनता जाएगा and आपके पास आते जाएगा. So this is the Sona Rupa fabric. And this dupatta now, these are limited pieces only, and that is how ombres will always work. It's a small collection, and then, you know, it's done, and then, you know, that's it. Because मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ, हम चाह के भी इसको repeat नहीं कर सकते, because we can never create the same piece the same way. Now this one with pink, I will show you this pink. So it's not really a pink from this. इसके साथ मेरे पास दूसरा दुपट्टा भी है which will come, but I just want to give you a idea that अगर आप इनके साथ pink पहनना चाहे, if you want to kind of do a pink look, then how is it that it's going to look? That's your piece. This is your dupatta. So that's how basically the pink will look. It's not the same shade. We'll have to dye it. But if you're also looking for a slightly more dressier dupatta, then this dupatta is a great choice. And I'm going to show it to you. It's a beautiful pink dupatta. And yes, this design is now over in whites. We did have a pink, so we thought of showing it to you. And there you go, you can see. So it's so lovely together. This is only silver zari, okay? So you've seen the only gold, you've seen the Sona and the Rupa, and now you can also see the silver. It's beautiful. This dupatta has a Sona Rupa both, so I think it just kind of looks amazing. अगर आप चाहें तो अगर इसका cost you want to kind of cut it down, then you can do a plain chanderi bottom. So let's do this with the fabric that we had. So you can do that. You can bring the kind of price down and do a plain chanderi bottom. But एक बार अगर आप ले रहे हैं और आप कई बार इसको पहनने वाले, then I feel you do the buta, because it just kind of adds a lot to the value of the whole look. So I would definitely recommend a same on same. That is what I'm going to recommend. Now there you go. This pretty dupatta, again in linen. And many of you will know that this is now a linen design which is of course now over in whites. We do have these colors because this is a combination that we have made and kept for you. So मैं वही दिखा रही हूँ. Now look at that. Here is perfection. And yes, Sona Rupa in both, with a plain bottom or a same on same. just add some detailing to it, तो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये. और इसके कुछ और कलर्स हैं इसी फैब्रिक्स के, जिन पे मैं थोड़ी देर में वापस आती हूँ. बट फर्स्ट आई वांट टू शो यू a linen fabric also. Basically just looks that are going to be so beautiful and so very different. You know, that is what Neve is all about. चाहे हमारे traditional looks देखें या contemporary looks देखें या something like this, which is very very versatile. Basically they're all going to be something absolutely different. Now look at that. This is our premium linen collection. Now we've done a light kota dupatta. The orange just kind of makes sure that it pops out the whole look. It's a beautiful silk linen fabric. Okay, now I'm going to show you this. I also have a pink dupatta with it, and it looks so amazing, so classic with this. So yes, you do have an option of getting it. I also have the black, so I'm going to show you black again. So black में हम black तो कर ही सकते. You may have seen me wear a cord out of it. So yes, I did a cord look with this same fabric. But it's basically, I also wear the same fabric in a kurta, anarkali, I do all of that. And this again, you can be doing a small little, you know, formal look with it. You can just keep it simple without a dupatta. So बहुत सारे options on how you're going to dress it up. But the entire thing is, the beauty lies in this, the meena of the piece. Go for an orange and black, go for a pink and black, go for a black and black. We can definitely do these dupattas in black for you as well. Okay, now I want to show you some dupattas which we kind of shown you in a video, and then of course live mein to aana hi tha, so we said that now we're going to show it to you in live. These are ever good, you cannot go wrong. And why of course I've chosen it with this look is because you will see that this fabric is so perfect even for this lightweight tissue dupattas. These are the 18,800 dupattas, and these have the light tassels. And of course we have a choice of colors which I am going to be showing you, तो वो आप देख सकते हैं. So you know, who would think that a cotton look would work with tissue, but it actually does. And because this has this beautiful zari, so उससे ये, so you can be wearing tissue without it getting overwhelming, because I think we want to kind of save a tissue only for something that's going to be like really like a nighttime look. You want a lot of sheen. But what I want to say is that you can wear a tissue in a totally different look as well, and now this is so perfect together. Just a nice neutral kurta, a beautiful shiny tissue silk dupatta, and it's a great look for all the day events as well. अगर मैं इसका कलर बदल दूँ, now this is going to look super super classy. Like I know it even before I put it on, because now look at that, this gray color with it. Now look at it, so it's right there in front of you, this whole gold look matching, and this white and grays. I think it's absolute perfection that you can go for. So these dupattas, and I think that combination particularly with the fabric is not to be missed. And ये तो मैंने season में पहली बार ये look पहना है. I will show it to you eventually with many different pieces as well, and I'm telling you it will work with all. So now there you go. You can always do a cream. This is not cream actually, this is off-white. It's not even ivory, it's off-white, and this is this red color. And yes, this is a look that will always look good. So now I'm also going to show you the neutral. This is the fabric as it is. मेरे पास जो सोना रूपा है, that I don't have it today in white, it's going to be coming, so I don't have it, but of course you've seen my kurta. But let's show you the feel of the fabrics. It is just amazing. Now look at that, just look at the softness of it. And इसके साथ आप, मैंने तो थोड़ी कली की है, I have only done an A line, but you can even go for a full kalidar, that 6 meter for your kurta look. It will look fabulous, I say. And 6 इसलिए चाहिए 5 की जगह, because cotton है. When you want to create those soft kalis with it, you will need a little more. And you can of course do the sona rupa like this. This has a one mix buta. Another thing, you can just do kalis alternatively of these two. So you can do a kali of gold, kali of silver. It's going to be, there's so many different interesting ways of dressing it up. Wear it in white, wear it in dyed. Okay, now I'm going to show you one very nice dyed look इसका. और ये देखिए, You know, I mean, I'm always so partial towards these colors. Look at this. This is the Sona Rupa. Why I don't have the Sona Rupa in white? हमने सारा dye किया to show you. So look at that. Isn't that absolutely classy? So I'm gonna say, go for this, go for this, go for a combination of it, or go for all of it actually, because I know so many of you say यार मैं एक white में लेती हूँ, मैं एक इसमें colored में लेती हूँ, and I think it makes so much sense, because really you're going to be wearing this so very much. Now look at that, a light cotton dupatta with this beautiful fabric. I love the brown, it is so elegant. Let's show it to you again. I think it's just absolutely amazing. Look at that. Here they go. Very elegant, and this very simple dupatta, and but also that looks good is this. I think it's a really nice combination to go with. One last color, इसको मैं यहाँ अलग कर देती हूँ पूरा, and one last color that I have is this, and you can see the orange. So yes, you can do the brighter colors. Like earlier we had even tried a red. It looks amazing. So, you know, of course, you could try. Look at that. It is so vibrant, even as a bright, beautiful color. It been very soft, and kuch like the browns mein zari itni sundar lagti. All the colors, the pastels are looking amazing. The light blue, the lemon. So lot of colors for you to feel and see, and the softness to be enjoyed. This is definitely an all-season look that you're going to be having. अब इस पे थोड़ा सा गोटा वर्क कराएं, थोड़ा एक्सेंचुएशन कराएं, आरी वर्क कराएं, कलीदार बनाएं, स्ट्रेट बनाएं, ए लाइन बनाएं. You have it all for you going right there. Now that's one look, and yes, that's it. But before I end, it's a very short live today. Before I end, I will show you some very colorful, beautiful light dupattas in kota. These are also some things that if you kind of see, now I'm going to show you why, because I was trying these first. Okay, so you've seen me with a single color, but you want to kind of add some colors to it, then you can wear it like this. It also looks perfect with it, and I do have many colors in this shaded dupattas also, which will work. So lots of dupatta options. Fabric आज एक essentially यही है, but I am doing all of this just to show you the number of looks that you can create. Each one, now you see this whole red, orange, when you want to wear that traditional colors without it being overwhelming. All of those days. Abhi full on Shadi season is there in Feb, and of course, you know, Ramadan starts in March, and it's just like so many reasons to get ready. So all of these pieces are going to be beautiful. Now look at that. Such a different vibe from the red and the orange. एक तो वो vibe थी, अब आप ये देखिए. This is totally different from that. Let's show you the multi colors. Pick up these light, beautiful looks, wear them instantly. You know, oh, this is that perfect haldi look. You can get it yellow dyed. I think it'll look really nice. Or just, yeah, wear it with this and then change your dupatta the next time. So yes, this is one pink and red. Our year has just gotten started, and yes, we will, you know, I think there is so much, you know, positivity all around us, and such good, great words. Creatively to push beyond what one can imagine. That is my entire agenda, and of course everything, you know, just a lot of positive energy along with that. So yes, you know, so हमने सोचा आज हम शुरुआत करेंगे एक, you know, these beautiful pieces. We had a break, we've come back again, and we just wanted to kind of, you know, bring some lightness and fun mood to the whole vibe. And this is what you're seeing, and so many colors. Oh my god, I didn't know that I had so many colors to show you, but you can see why it's important to open them, because जब आप खोलते हैं so I think it kind of completely changes the look. I think this would in fact really look nice in a black as well. The dupattas, okay, so I'm going to come back to the prices. What I'm wearing is 4,800 per meter. आप चाहे सोना ले, रूपा ले या सोना रूपा ले. Okay, what is sona and what is rupa? It's the color of the zari. Sona is gold, rupa is silver. Sona and rupa is a combination in gold and silver. These dupattas that I have are 4,200. The Chanderi one with this beautiful tassels, which was our special in dupattas today, is for 5,800. And then of course you have different various looks that you can do now. This I think we have done. Ek ye color reh gaya tha, which I will also show you because it's very pretty. And now look at that, so elegant and such lovely looks, and lot of them to choose from. Now in my style video I've done this dupatta, which is a light brown, which perfectly goes with my zari. और ये जो color है, ये भी, this is also something which I really like because look at that, it looks absolutely amazing as well. It's a little greenish dhani shade, which also looks very nice. So I would pick any of these vast combinations, but I would do it today. The Chanderi combination, of course, there are a small premium collection that you have to go for ASAP. This fabric is going to be the most versatile piece in your wardrobe. So go for it now and have a great one. I'm not sure whether we're going to be doing more lives this week or not, okay? We're just kind of going on impromptu energy, and as we get it ready, we are coming to you. But yeah, that's a heads up. But a lovely collection, tissue dupattas in fact, which were looking amazing for you to choose from. So have a great week remaining if I don't see you. Bye-bye. But yes, have a great one now.